Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena with the main cameras on the Google Pixel 6a, the brand new affordable phone by Google, and we're comparing it against the Apple iPhone SE. And right now I'm using the main cameras, so I have the phones with their backs towards me, but let me quickly flip them over. The weather is nice, but which of these two captures the better looking video? Both recording 4K video resolution, so details should be pretty similar, but what about the colors? Let me also walk here to demonstrate the video stabilization. Alright, and the Pixel 6a also has an ultra-wide camera feature that is missing on the iPhone SE. So this is the ultra-wide camera on the Pixel compared to the iPhone. And this is a low light, let's say frankly it's a nighttime video sample recorded on the Pixel 6a and the iPhone SE alongside each other. So you can see the difference in quality and the overall quality of the cameras at night. This is what it looks like. Of course, don't expect greatness, but we should see something at least in the dark. So let's see how good it is. Alright, and now I have flipped the cameras to my electric scooter. Well, let's see which one captures it better. And here's what else we have here. Now these are just plain automatic settings on both phones. No fancy tune-ups or anything. Just the automatic settings. At least right now in the viewfinder it does seem like the iPhone has the brighter footage, but let's see if this is the case after we capture it and look at it on a bigger screen. One thing that is immediately noticeable is that the iPhone does have a much wider field of view, while the Pixel, crops in quite a bit. 4K video on both phones. All right.